It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 2020-2021 Upper Deck Trilogy. So a lot of the releases have been delayed, so we're going to revisit this guy because I really like Trilogy this year. I like the look of the cards, and for the most part, I like what we've gotten out of these boxes so far. So I paid $135 US for this box. We're gonna get 6 packs in here with 4 cards per pack. I'm gonna spend a lot of time talking about it because we've opened a few of these recently, and we're just gonna jump right in to the break. We're gonna start off with a Brock Besser, Vitaly Kravtsov, rookie rendition, and a Nick Robertson blue parallel rookie rendition to, is it $3.99? It looks like. That actually looks really good with the Maple Leafs blue there. And we've got Anze Kopitar as our final card. Got our second pack. We've got Geno Malkin. We've got our rookie super stage of Gustav Lindstrom. And then we've got a blue parallel rookie super stage to $4.99 of Mikey Anderson. And Marc-Andre Fleury, who has recently been eliminated from the NHL playoffs by the Montreal Canadiens. Nobody expected them to really make the finals, but they have, and congratulations to them. John Tavares. Got a rookie super stage of Steven Lorentz. And we've got a jersey card here of Thomas Harley. Red parallel, numbered to $4.99. Nice green swatch there. Level 1 rookie premiere. We've got Adam Henrique. Rookie rendition of Victor Soderstrom. We've got a new blue parallel. Boy, the Knights cards with the dark on dark. So hard to see. Reed Duke, numbered to $3.99. And Dr. Dre. Down to the final 2 packs. Trilogy's usually kind of a quick break. Not a lot of packs in here. Nikita Kucherov. And we've got a rookie rendition of Alexander Alexiev. Ooh, and we pulled another auto puck. We've got Tyler Toffoli, signature puck. So wow, that's 2 of these that we've pulled out of this year's product. So not much of a signature there, but that's a nice pull. Super awesome. Another puck. Jonathan Taves. Final pack. We've got Nico Hischier. We've got Calvin Thurkoff. And another rookie rendition blue parallel of Kiefer, Your Real Superstar Bellows. And our final card is Nathan McKinnon. So there you have it. That is another box of 2020-2021 Upper Deck Trilogy. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.